Firstring useful way to deliver. Firstring think that the most useful way to deliver a lesson is for the student to let us know in advance the area that they would like to work on, so that Firstring can prepare research and materials and use the time we have most efficiently. We would help students achieve their goals by setting focused aims and working step by step. For instance, to help with writing technique, Firstring would work through how we plan an essay in a way that is clear and easy to grasp, which is the basic start to boosting grades in English. Firstring passion for the subjects helps to motivate students that otherwise do not find these as their favorite subjects. We can also help with reviewing a student's work and giving feedback on how to improve. That is very useful.
Hello, my name is Rishi, and I'm here to talk to you about the Firstring Global Online Tuition Service. It really helped me, especially during my A-levels, in which you have to put in so much more work and effort into your studies, but this actually motivates me as well as educate me in my subjects. The teachers are really supportive and actually very talented. They explain things no matter what you ask them, and they are the most patient teachers you'll ever get, more than in school. Also, the service is really seamless and integrated well with Skype, and the classroom they have, the online virtual classroom, is really, really fun to use. Thank you for listening, and it's really something you should try out. They have a week free trial as well, so there's no harm in trying it.
My name is Boris Paul and I live in Liverpool. I'm now in year 6 and I have joined Firstring recently for a grammar school exam preparation. All the teachers in Firstring are super kind and they are very helpful. They will help you to clear all your doubts, and I strongly recommend Firstring Global Online Tuition to any student. And if you need help in any subjects in school, Firstring Global Online Tuition should be your #1 choice. Bye. Thank you.
And I'm from Wales, and I'm here to talk about Firstring Global Online Tuition. Firstring holds the best teachers from all around the world to help you, and I joined Firstring to improve my grades, mainly in math, because obviously math is really difficult and hard, and I find it really complicated. So my friends recommended me to join Firstring Global, and I tried it, and guess what? It's actually pretty good. And now I'm really improving my grade, and I'm the top bands right now, and I really thank Firstring for giving me this opportunity. So right now I'm recommending you guys to join Firstring as well, only if you want to improve in your grades. So check out the Firstring website right now and reach for the heights.